In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Elliott Correction Wave ABC on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add the ABC correction tool to your chart, how to place each point, and how to adjust and customize it so it fits your own analysis style. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market and time frame you want to analyze already open. It doesn't matter whether you're looking at crypto, forex, stocks, or anything else. The process is the same as long as you're on a standard Tradingview chart window. Now look at the upper left side of your chart. This is where your main drawing toolbar sits. Move your mouse over that area and find the section that contains different drawing tools and pattern tools. Among those options, you'll see a group dedicated to patterns. Click on the Patterns tool to open up the full list of available pattern drawings. From that list, look for the Elliott Correction Wave ABC tool. It may be grouped under Elliott Tools or Pattern Tools depending on your layout, but it will specifically say Elliott Correction Wave ABC. Click on that and your cursor will now be ready to place the pattern on your chart. Next, start creating your points. Click once on the chart to create your first point. This is usually where you want the correction to begin, often at the end of a prior impulsive move. Then move your cursor and click again to create your second point, which will mark the end of the first leg of the correction. After that, click to create your third point, and finally click one more time to create your fourth point. As you place these points, Tradingview automatically draws the ABC structure for you, connecting them and labeling the waves. Once the pattern is on your chart, take a moment to explain, at least to yourself or your audience, what this Elliott Correction Wave ABC is showing. It highlights a three-wave corrective move, helping you visualize pullbacks or consolidations within a larger trend. You can click and drag any of the points to move or adjust the pattern anywhere on your chart, so it lines up more accurately with your price swings. You can also fully customize the look of this tool. With the pattern selected, you'll see options to open templates, change the color, and adjust the line tool width so it stands out clearly. You can go into settings to refine the style, labels, or visibility. If you want to keep the pattern in place, use the lock option so you don't accidentally move it. If you're done with it, click Remove to delete it. And if you need more options, click on the three dots or More to access additional actions. To wrap up, you can go a bit deeper into how you personally use the Elliott Correction Wave ABC on Tradingview, such as how it helps you spot potential reversal zones, measure corrections, or organize your overall market structure. This tool is there to make your analysis cleaner and more consistent, and with these steps, you can start applying it quickly and confidently on any chart.